Hello students. In this video we are going to discuss the last topic of that extraction, that is thermite welding. In between where we can left with this. Actually we have discussed the extraction of the medium reactive metal. You know that these medium reactive metal generally found in the form of sulfide or carbonate ore. So we do roasting and calcination of these. Ultimately they will convert into what? Metal oxide. And after that we do the step of reduction. So this type of reaction, thermite welding, is somewhere related with the reduction of metal oxide into the pure metal. The name of the topic is thermite welding. Welding सबने सुना है. You know कि iron is having a great importance. That is economically very important, and a large number of articles are made up of iron, like ब्रिज है, रेलवे ट्रैक्स है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो कहीं ना कहीं इनका डैमेज होता रहता है. सो वी मस्ट डू द वेल्डिंग ऑफ दीज आर्टिकल एंड दिस कैन बी डन विद द प्रोसेस ऑफ थर्मिट वेल्डिंग. So what we do in this process, we take a vessel that is named as silica crucible. Silica crucible. So in this silica crucible we hang a magnesium ribbon and we attach a powder that is known as magnesium and barium oxide powder with this. Okay, and in that we take a mixture also that is known as thermite, because based upon this name of the mixture, this reaction is also known as thermite welding, and this mixture is a mixture of aluminium plus iron oxide Fe2O3. So how this reaction take place? सबसे पहले we ignite the magnesium ribbon. As we ignite the magnesium ribbon, this powder burns. Magnesium and barium oxide powder starts burning, and when this mixture will burn, a large amount of heat energy is produced, and as the heat energy is produced, the reaction between the thermite mixture will take place, and that reaction is known as thermite welding or thermite reaction. क्या होगा इसमें? क्या होगा? रिएक्शन होगी एल्यूमिनियम प्लस Fe2O3 के बीच में, आयरन ऑक्साइड के बीच में. तो क्या होगा? यू गेट Al2O3 plus iron. Here you get the iron in the form of molten state. Molten iron you will get. हो क्या रहा है? Here aluminium act as a reducing agent. Reducing agent. This causes the reduction of iron oxide into the iron. देखो एल्यूमिनियम के में क्या ऐड हो गया? ऑक्सीजन. तो एल्यूमिनियम का ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया, आयरन से ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो गया, तो आयरन ऑक्साइड का क्या हो गया? रिडक्शन. तो इस आयरन ऑक्साइड का इनटू आयरन ऑक्साइड उसका रिडक्शन करवाया किसने? एल्यूमिनियम ने. सो इट एक्ट एज ए रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. Based upon this, what we say, what is thermite welding or thermite reaction? The reduction of ferric oxide into molten iron with the help of aluminium, which act as a reducing agent. Or in other way, what we say, reduction of iron oxide into iron by aluminium is known as thermite reaction or thermite reaction. This is very important. This type of reaction directly or indirectly comes in the exam. What is thermite reaction? What is the importance of thermite reaction? And only write the reaction involved in the thermite welding also. Such type of question will arise in the exams. And yeah, what is the reducing agent that is act in the thermite reaction? Okay. So here आयरन ऑक्साइड का क्या हो रहा है? रिडक्शन बाय यूजिंग एल्यूमिनियम. सो हमें क्या मिल रहा है? मोल्टन आयरन. तो हमें यहाँ टैपिंग होल से हेयर वी गेट द मोल्टन आयरन आफ्टर द रिएक्शन that take place between the aluminium और Fe2O3 thermit के अंदर reaction हो जाएगी, and through this tapping hole we get the molten iron, and this molten iron can fill in the gaps of the broken iron articles. तो ये जो टूटा हुआ आयरन आर्टिकल है, जहां से भी टूटा है वहां उस टैपिंग होल से वो मोल्टन आयरन उस गैप के उस कैविटी में फिल हो जाएगा और आपका जो टूटा हुआ ब्रोकन आयरन आर्टिकल है दैट गेट वेल्ड. So with this we end the topic of thermit welding and extraction also completely. We are left only the two topics, alloys and corrosion. Both are very important. A 5-mark question comes from the topic alloys in the previous session of 10th class. Okay student, so please read from your books, clear your concept. This is not going to repeat in your school timing, है ना? So please focus on your study, focus on your reading and understanding concept. Okay, keep smiling at home and please press the like button if you like the videos. Thank you very much students.